How can I deactivate WhatsApp temporarily on Android, iOS devices?
Hello everyone! In this video, we'll be showing you how you can temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account on both Android and iOS devices. This might be necessary if you're going on vacation, want to take a break, or if you lose your phone. Let's get started.
Can you temporarily deactivate WhatsApp?
Before we get into the steps, it's important to clarify that WhatsApp does not provide an option to temporarily deactivate the account. However, we do have a workaround. If you want a short break from WhatsApp, you can delete your account and restore it later when you want to use it again. Keep in mind though, this action will erase all your account data.
Backing up your chats.
First, you'll want to back up your chats. You wouldn't want to lose all your important conversations, would you? On Android, 1. Open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. 2. Go to Settings, then Chats, and finally, Chat Backup. 3. Tap on the Backup button. On iOS, 1. Open WhatsApp and tap on Settings at the bottom right. 2. Go to Chats, then Chat Backup. 3. Tap on Backup Now.
Deleting your WhatsApp account.
Once you have your chats backed up, the next step is to delete your WhatsApp account. On Android and iOS, 1. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. 2. Tap on Account, then Delete My Account. 3. Enter your phone number and tap on Delete My Account again.
Restoring your account.
When you're ready to use WhatsApp again, simply reinstall the app and restore your account. On Android and iOS, 1. Download WhatsApp from the App Store or Google Play Store. 2. Open the app and follow the setup process. 3. When prompted, restore your chats from the backup you created earlier. And there you have it. That's how you can temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account on Android and iOS. Remember, this process will erase all your account data, so make sure to back up your chats before deleting your account. We hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.